Hello everyone, my name is Sergio Garcia, PhD student at the University of Gothenburg, and today I'm presenting my study PROMIS High-Level Mission Specification for Multiple Robots. It is foreseen the increment of inclusion of robots in our lives in the near future. Imagine a near future environment like a hotel or a warehouse where a team of service robots, a type of robot that performs useful tasks for humans, may interact to provide services such as object handling, transportation, or pickup and delivery operations, as is the example of Amazon warehouses. These tasks or missions must be specified and commanded by users who are in need of appropriate tools for such process. In order to tackle this need, we developed PROMIS, which is a domain-specific language with the aim of specifying missions to teams of robots in a simple yet expressive way. It was implemented as a plugin for Eclipse and it is integrated into a framework. PROMIS provides both a textual and a visual editor for the user to specify the mission, but we will focus on the visual representation in this presentation. This language contains a set of atomic tasks that can be executed by robots, represented by color circles, and a set of operators that allow the composition of these tasks in complex missions. We conceived 7 operators, but I'll explain only 4 of them with this illustrative example to keep it simple. More details about these operators can be found in the paper. The parallel operator, which is always the root of the mission, decomposes the global mission into local robot-specific missions. This means that all the operators related to each branch will be automatically delegated to that robot, as represented in the labels of the edges. The mission associated with an event handler begins with the execution of its default mission and will not finish until this by default mission is finished. Atomic tasks are delegated to robots using a delegate operator that can be configured using parameters. The robots may interact or detect events occurring in the environment. If, while performing its by default mission, a robot detects an event that matches the one associated with the event handler, the corresponding behavior will be triggered. In this case, Robot 1, while patrolling a set of locations, detects an object, will request help to Robot 2. In a similar way, Robot 2 will wait idly in L4 until help is requested. If so, it will then trigger the sequence operator, which executes a set of operators in sequence. Robot 2 will then visit a location, grasp an object, and drive to L2. Thank you very much for your attention. If you are interested, please check the provided link to the repository of the tool or send me an email. Bye.